From a levitating plant pot to a 3D baking machine, we've compiled a list of 12 of the coolest smart home devices that you'll absolutely love and want to add to your collection. Let's get started. Brew barista quality coffee or a soothing cup of tea at home with the K156 multifunction electric steam brewer. This versatile appliance will be your new go-to for perfect beverages every time. With its automatic steam brewing technology, this brewer offers 6 levels of flavor, so you can enjoy your drink just the way you like it. The 1.5-liter large capacity means more servings without constant refilling. Choose from 4 temperature settings to heat water quickly, from 175 degrees Fahrenheit to boiling. Using the K156 is a breeze. Just pour in your tea leaves or coffee grounds, close the lid, select your preferred strength, and start brewing with one press. The steam brewer enhances flavors by circulating steam through the tea, creating a rich and pure taste. The tea water separation design prevents over-soaking, ensuring your drink is never bitter. Worried about keeping your drink warm? The K156 has an auto keep warm function that maintains the perfect temperature for up to 8 hours with a simple long press of the 212 degrees Fahrenheit button and a press of the start button. Plus, the waterproof panel makes it safe to use, even with wet hands. And cleaning is hassle-free with its integrated base and single-layer extraction basket. With its easy operation and thoughtful features, the K156 multifunction electric steam brewer is designed to level up your tea and coffee experience effortlessly. With so much delicious food within arm's reach, controlling cravings can be a real challenge. If you're health conscious and looking for a foolproof way to manage those cravings, this gadget is perfect for you. It allows you to cook, warm, and prepare any food item in record time, all without any mess. During operation, it ensures a clean cooking process, prevents finger burns, saves space, and even seems to disappear magically when not in use. Growing plants in midair is no longer a dream thanks to the Lifelevitating Plant Pot that turns the impossible into reality. Curious about how it works? This innovative pot hovers using magnetic levitation and gently rotates while suspended, ensuring your plants receive ample sunlight from all angles. The modular design is both grippy and tactile, providing a captivating and relaxing experience for your home. With the Lifelevitating Plant Pot, you can enjoy watching your plant gracefully twirl in the air from different perspectives. Do you love the great outdoors but hate dealing with mosquitoes and bugs? Great news! The Thermos Cel Radius offers an innovative solution that stops mosquitoes in their tracks. It creates a protective zone around you, keeping insects away for hours. Simply tap the button twice to activate the automatic mode, which runs for 120 minutes continuously. When it's time to pack up, use the lock mode to prevent any accidental activations. The Atomi Smart Heater is the ultimate solution for staying warm during chilly weather. This device allows you to control the temperature effortlessly using your smartphone from anywhere. Imagine not having to leave the comfort of your bed to adjust the heater. Simply give a voice command, and the heater will respond instantly, making temperature management a breeze. Additionally, the Atomi Smart Heater is designed with advanced safety features to prevent any unwanted scenarios, ensuring you can enjoy its warmth without worry. Its sleek and modern design also fits seamlessly into any home decor, making it both a functional and stylish addition to your living space. Whether you're lounging on the couch or snuggled up in bed, the Atomi Smart Heater offers a convenient and safe way to stay cozy. Pathogens, pollutants, and other harmful particles often linger in the air at home or in the office, posing health risks. Introducing the Truen Smart Air Purifier, a device designed to eliminate these airborne threats and ensure clean, healthy air for everyone. Equipped with a smart sensor, it measures air quality and communicates with the purifier in real time to maintain optimal conditions. You can conveniently set schedules, track air quality history, and more using the intuitive app. Additionally, its voice compatibility makes controlling the purifier easier than ever, providing effortless access to clean air. The next product on our list will transform your desk setup into a smart and stylish space. This minimalist pixel clock not only enhances any interior, but also reflects your mood. Its built-in audio streaming ensures you stay entertained and never wake up late. Want more? Display motivational quotes, track the weather, time, and count down subscribers, all from your desk. Plus, receive notifications from your home appliances directly on the device, and enjoy the added convenience of voice control. Struggling to wake up early in the morning? Say goodbye to that with the SwitchBot Curtain Controller. This innovative device operates on batteries and utilizes sunlight to function optimally, ensuring your curtains open precisely as the sun rises. It offers both manual control via a handy remote and the peace of mind of keeping your home secure and private. Plus, with compatibility with Alexa and other voice assistants, you can effortlessly integrate it into your smart home setup, allowing you to control your curtains with ease without stepping out of your comfort zone. Pancakes are not just delicious, they can also be a form of edible art. Enter the Pancake Bot, a cutting-edge gadget akin to a 3D printer designed specifically for creating delectable pancakes. This innovative device uses sophisticated software to transform any image or artwork into pancake form. It starts by outlining the design with precision, ensuring bold, defined lines. Then, it fills in the rest with incredible accuracy, thanks to its unique vacuum and pressure system that regulates the flow of batter. Whether you're creating intricate designs or simply enjoying a tasty treat, the Pancake Bot delivers both creativity and flavor in every bite. Slow Dance is more than just a frame, it's a captivating experience that defies expectations by seemingly slowing down time before your very eyes. This innovative digital frame transforms ordinary movements into extraordinary displays of artistry and wonder. Ingeniously designed hidden springs delicately suspend objects within the frame, while subtle, unseen LEDs illuminate them, allowing you to customize brightness levels for the perfect ambiance. Adjust the mood effortlessly with a convenient knob, creating a soothing atmosphere that enhances any space. Perfect for enthusiasts of science and art alike, Slow Dance not only entertains, but also educates, showcasing the mesmerizing interplay of light, movement, and perception. Whether it's for your own enjoyment or as a thoughtful gift, this unique frame enriches any environment with its blend of technological ingenuity and aesthetic appeal. Experience the magic of visual illusions brought to life with Slow Dance, a testament to the artistry and innovation that continues to redefine what's possible in modern decor. So, that concludes our list of the 10 coolest smart home devices on Amazon. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.